What's up, everybody? It's Johnny, and I'm back today to talk about unemployment. I'm going to recap the stimulus unemployment benefits, give suggestions for applying, and offer tax tips for unemployment income. Again, thank you all for subscribing. If you watch this video and find it helpful, please subscribe and like the video. You can count on me being back with more updates to help you. At this time, over 26 million have lost their jobs, and this number is growing daily. Thousands of businesses have closed or have been forced to cut back on their hours. Congress passed a program to expand unemployment benefits to try to help during this time. Those who are newly unemployed are confused and frustrated, while it appears the state unemployment systems are completely overwhelmed. Before we get into applying and tax tips, I want to review the new stimulus unemployment benefits and how it expands on previous unemployment. The formula to calculate your unemployment is simple. Total unemployment equals your state benefits plus your stimulus benefits. Okay, let's start with state benefits. Unemployment benefits vary by state, and each state sets its own eligibility criteria. Each state sets the unemployment levels, which are subject to a weekly cap. State unemployment benefits are typically 40 to 50% of your normal wages and are subject to a weekly maximum. Now let's move on to the stimulus benefits. The stimulus benefits add $600 weekly until July 31st, 2020, on top of the state benefits. So again, total unemployment equals state benefits plus stimulus benefits. In addition, the stimulus benefits extend your state benefit 13 weeks. The stimulus extends eligibility for unemployment to those who normally qualify, plus independent contractors, self-employed, and those that have been impacted by the coronavirus. If you think you qualify for unemployment, you will need to apply through your state. Here are 3 things to consider when applying. First consideration, apply ASAP, as soon as possible. As soon as you are laid off, furloughed, or your hours are cut, try to apply with your state. Second, unfortunately, you need to expect delays. Millions are applying and the number grows daily. The state systems are completely overwhelmed. And the third, save money for your taxes. What do I mean by that? Well, unemployment income is subject to federal income tax. I know that taxes are probably the last thing on your mind right now, but you need to plan ahead for this. Okay, for the last part of this video, I wanted to touch on some tax tips related to unemployment income. Tip number 1. As I mentioned, unemployment income is subject to federal income tax. In early 2021, the year 2021, you should receive a Form 1099-G that will break down your unemployment income and will be needed when you file your taxes. Make sure that you look out for this form in early 2021. Tip number 2. Consider withholding federal taxes from your unemployment income right now. This will work just like a paycheck as an employee, with taxes being withheld from each check. Tip number 3. Consider making estimated tax payments. I recommend speaking with your tax professional so that he or she can look at your entire tax position and assist in calculating estimated tax payments, which should be remitted on a quarterly basis. Okay, and tip number 4. This last tip is not specific to unemployment income, but it is likely that you may be receiving gifts from strangers, family, or friends during this difficult time. Just note, as a general rule, gifts are most likely not taxable to you, as the person making the gift, not the recipient, is typically responsible for federal gift taxes. Just make sure to consult with a tax professional, as there are always exceptions to this general rule. I understand that all of this is very overwhelming, and I hope that this video has assisted in giving you some clarity on this issue. Please know that I am committed to being a helpful resource for you during this difficult time, and I plan on updating you with informational videos. As always, stay healthy, stay sane, and I cannot wait to see you all soon.